you ever wondered about how the Rubik's Cube came into existence? From where did it get its name, etc., etc.? Well, I am here, your Rubik's Cube enthusiast, Swaraj Bagal. Don't go by my age. I might be 9 years old, but I'm someone who's obsessed with Rubik's Cube. So today, I'm going to tell you all about it. Hungarian design teacher and serious puzzler Rubik assembled his first Rubik's Cube puzzle in 1974 and called it the Magic Cube. After a toy agent pitched the puzzle to Ideal Toy and Novelty Company, it renamed the puzzle Rubik's Cube and began putting it in stores in 1980. You know what? I was not even born then. Rubik's Cube hit shelves worldwide in 1980. It immediately became popular. And when I say popular, I mean like Pokemon popular, like Harry Potter popular. By 1981, the sales were in billions, making it the best-selling toy in history. You must all be wondering, are Rubik's Cubes still so much popular? So, answer for your question is yes. Today, nearly 50 years after its invention, Rubik's Cube is still a huge seller. Over 450 million have been sold, still making it the best-selling toy in history. And the pandemic has boosted sales, but I hope that this disease COVID never returns back. The current speed record for solving the Rubik's Cube is just 3.47 seconds. Well, I might not be the fastest Rubik's Cube solver ever, but I have definitely improved my timings from 15 minutes to just 1.48 minutes. Isn't that commendable? Do you have any idea how Rubik thought up the idea of the Rubik's Cube? Well, 40 years ago, to help teach three-dimensional models to his students, he invented the Rubik's Cube. Then, it was not made as a puzzle cube, but a model to teach the parts of a cube to his students. Rubik was the first person to solve the Rubik's Cube. He spent a month struggling to unscramble it. But initially, even he had no idea how to go about solving it. Solving Rubik's Cubes require memorizing many algorithms and twisting and turning the layers under a few seconds. Speed solvers, in fact, can cross 3 moves per second. Such solvers have sharper reflexes and incredible eye-hand coordination. There are different types of cubes, which are 2x2, also called as the pocket cube, 3x3, also called as the Rubik's Cube, 4x4, also called as the Rubik's Revenge, 5x5, also called as the Professor's Cube, 6x6, also called as the Cube 6, Pyraminx, Megaminx, Screwb, etc. But in this vlog, we are learning about the 3x3 cube, which is also called as the Rubik's Cube. 3x3 Rubik's Cube consists of 26 small cubes that rotate on a central axis. 9 colored cube faces in 3 rows of each form each side of the Rubik's Cube. When the cube is twisted out of its original arrangement, the player must then return it to its original configuration, which can activate one among 43 quintillion possible ones. Friends, do you have any idea about the benefits of solving the cube? No? Well, here it is. Solving the Rubik's Cube increases focus and attention. It improves memory retention if you are not having any memory retention. It increases patience patience levels. If you're not patient, improves problem solving skills. That's definitely used in the papers, and it also makes your mind sharp and active, which is also used in the papers. So many benefits. Don't you think solving the Rubik's Cube is amazing? Do you think solving the Rubik's Cube is difficult? Well, there are some formulas to solve the Rubik's Cube which makes it easy. The easy solution to solve the Rubik's Cube is to first follow approach of solving the bottom layer, the middle layer, and finally the top layer. I'm definitely going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in the easiest way in my next vlog. But today, watch me solve my Rubik's Cube in 2 minutes. Done. Oh my god, but I solved it in 1 minute and only 26 seconds. I have beaten my best timing. That's amazing. Oh, that's all for today. And stay tuned for my upcoming vlogs where I will teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in the easiest way. Thank you and bye for now.
Yay!